back to Auto Vibes 7, where we dive deep into the world of automotive excellence. Today, we're exploring one of the most stunning hypercars to ever hit the market, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto, paired with its incredible aero kit. If you're a fan of speed, power, and jaw-dropping aesthetics, you're in for a treat. The Lamborghini Revuelto is a masterpiece of engineering, combining the thrill of a V12 engine with the cutting-edge technology of a hybrid powertrain. However, what makes this car even more thrilling is the optional aero kit, which takes the performance and design to the next level. Let's start by talking about the Revuelto's design, which is bold and aggressive. Lamborghini has always been known for its striking designs, and the Revuelto continues that tradition with sharp lines, a low, wide stance, and an unmistakable silhouette. But with the addition of the aero kit, Lamborghini has taken aerodynamics and visual appeal to a whole new level. The front of the car features a wider, more aggressive splitter. It serves two purposes: improving airflow to the cooling system and generating additional downforce. The aerodynamically optimized front end helps to keep the car glued to the road at high speeds, ensuring stability in tight corners and on straightaways. Moving towards the sides, you'll notice carbon fiber side skirts that run along the bottom of the car. These elements are not just for show, they enhance the car's downforce by reducing turbulence around the wheels, allowing for more efficient airflow. The result is a more planted and stable ride, especially during high-speed maneuvers. Now, let's talk about the rear, where the most significant changes are visible. The aero kit introduces a larger rear diffuser and an active rear spoiler. The rear diffuser helps manage the airflow under the car, reducing drag and increasing downforce, which is vital for maintaining high-speed stability. The active rear spoiler can adjust its angle depending on the speed and driving conditions, providing the perfect balance between downforce and drag. Whether you're cruising on the highway or hitting the track, this system ensures the Revuelto stays firmly grounded. As we move to the car's performance, it's worth noting that the aero kit plays a key role in enhancing the driving experience. With a combined output of 1001 horsepower from its hybrid V12 engine, this car is already a force to be reckoned with. The added aero efficiency provided by the kit allows the Revuelto to handle corners and high-speed straights with greater precision and stability. Inside the cabin, Lamborghini has stayed true to its luxurious and tech-forward design philosophy. The Revuelto boasts a cutting-edge infotainment system and premium materials, but the real magic happens when you put your foot on the pedal. Thanks to the advanced hybrid system, the Revuelto offers a seamless blend of electric and V12 power, giving you instant acceleration and that signature Lamborghini soundtrack. In addition to performance, the aero kit also plays a role in the Revuelto's fuel efficiency, reducing drag and improving the car's overall efficiency. So, even though this is a hypercar built for speed, the aero kit helps optimize every aspect of its performance, ensuring you get the most out of every drive. When you get behind the wheel of the Lamborghini Revuelto with the aero kit, you're not just driving a car, you're commanding a piece of automotive perfection. The enhanced aerodynamics, aggressive styling, and precision engineering make it an experience like no other. Whether on the road or the track, the Revuelto's performance is unmatched. With the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto, the future of automotive performance has arrived. The aero kit enhances not only its appearance but also its capabilities, ensuring that this hypercar will continue to dominate on and off the road. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto with the aero kit. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose this stunning performance package for your own Lamborghini? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest cars, straight from Auto Vibes 7. See you in the next video.